Welcome to this Maths Made Easy video on proof by contradiction. And in this video, we want to be able to understand proof by contradiction and why it's an extremely powerful tool. So to start with, let's look at proving a general problem here, that there is no largest even number using contradiction. So, prove by contradiction that there is no largest even number. So there is no largest even number. Okay. And what we do here to start with a proof by contradiction is we assume this original problem that we're looking to solve here is not true and the opposite exists. Okay, so if we're looking to prove that there is no largest even number, well, in this case, if we're looking at the opposite here, we would say that there is a largest even number. Okay, so we assume the statement's not true, so we assume not true, and that there does exist, or there exists a largest even number. Okay, so there exists a largest even number. So what would that largest even number be? Well, we can define it in essentially any way that we want, as long as we make sure that it's a multiple of 2. Okay, so it has to be even here. So what I'm going to say is the largest even number, L, is equal to 2n here. Okay, and the general basis for this proof is if we take this as our largest even number, what would happen if we were to add 2 onto this number? Okay, so consider now L plus 2 here. What would that be? Well, if L is 2n, that's going to be 2n plus 2. Okay? And well, we can easily show that this is an even number by factoring a 2 out here to write this as 2 bracket n plus 1. So clearly, this is even because we can write it as a multiple of 2. And therefore it's in the 2 times table, if we think about it in that sense. And clearly here, in this case, this is definitely bigger than our original largest even number. So what we just need to say here is that this is also even. This is also even, and it's larger than L, which we said was our largest even number. So in this case, this is a contradiction to our original assumption here, where we assume this wasn't true and that there did exist a largest even number. So this is a contradiction here to our original assumption. So we just write this out in full. And therefore, in this case, as this is a contradiction to our original assumption, what that means then is we've proved this essentially using contradiction, that there is no largest even number. So therefore, there is no largest even number. Which proves what we were asked to find there. So that concludes this Maths Made Easy video on proof by contradiction.